Andu mugwanja guku bururi-ini nio makoretwo magithuthurio magikuirwo gukorwo na dariri cia murimu ugwati wa coronavirus uria nginyagia riu uragite andu matanyihiire 600 kuma mabururi ngurani. Bururi wa China ariguo kihumo kiaguo ukigumirwo makiria. Na ona gutuika ithimi cia mugwanja aya aria maraigitwo keheri-ini ironania matire na murimu uyu, Thirikari no irathie na mbere gucaria njira cia kuhitana na murimu uyu utanaingira guku bururi-ini, na makiria muno iharo-ini cia ndege kuona ng'endo cia ndege no irathie na mbere.
It's not all passengers that are going to come through the JKIA, and so cognizant of that, in the 34 points of entry we have deployed additional capacity, HR, we have deployed equipment to be able to support the screening, and the screening is happening, and that is our response to that.
Ona mathibitari-ini ataramu wa hurigitani ni maharirikite na oho kuhariria keheri kungigia na undu wa hi na hi ukonie murimu uyu.
The national government has also taken over a facility with an additional bed capacity of 120 beds at Bagathi District Hospital in a bid to enhance our readiness, just in case. Further, all the points of entry have isolation facilities and have prepositioned personal protective equipment.
Indo iria irabatarania guthima murimu uyu itanyitwo gukinya guku bururi-ini muthenya wa rucio. Thirikari ikiuga oho kuri na gikundi kia marigitari aria maraumagarite guthoma njira cia kuhitana na murimu uyu.
They jet back tomorrow morning, and indeed part of what they will be bringing is the reagents. But let me also assure us that we've been in this spot before with cases such as Ebola, and we have responded adequately. We have the capacity generally in terms of human resource. We have the capacity generally in terms of infrastructure, the laboratory, and we do have a system that is functioning.
No maya magithiaga na mbere, Thirikari yugite Guthamia arutwo a guku bururi-ini aria makwamite tauni-ini iria igumirwo ni murimu uyu bururi-ini wa China tikihonia kwa ihinda riri.
Some of the countries that have evacuated, the infections that have happened in their countries have come as a result of evacuations. So evacuations is not something you do willy-nilly. It is something that is done under serious and considered thought that has been put to the entire process.
Bisha ishiri ikoretwo igitamba nenda-ini cia gukinyaniria cironania andu mari na wagagu makiuria thirikari kugeria uria mangicoka guku bururi-ini, no kwa ihinda riri meguthie na mbere gweterera nginyagia thirikari ikinyanirie ni itua ririku igutacukia.
We have tried to consult our embassy. They've really been helpful in as much as they could. Only that they say as regarding the evacuation process, they cannot do much.
Ona kuhana uguo a Kenya agi aria mari bururi-ini wa China na matire na mihango igigiriria mahunduke ni moritio gucoka guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kamitii TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.